Yeah, thank you, Sujay. So good afternoon, good evening, everyone, depending upon your location. So Intelligent team is today presenting intelligent document processing solution, and we have tried to align it with the insurance vertical as of now, but this is a horizontal thing. So in today's environment, after the COVID era, we see that companies are digitizing at a very fast pace, and insurance vertical is also doing that. So the CIOs are facing the problems like they have multiple data sources. The formats in which data is submitted is also very different. And this leads to a lot of time consumption if done manually and a lot of cost. So our solution is, let's see where it is placed in the claims processing value chain. So traditional claims processing, you can see at the bottom, it's all manual. All the document processing, claim education is manual, but the highlighted orange areas are what we are targeting. It's all intelligent ML based and computer vision controlled. Moving ahead. So what are the benefits of using our solution? So this is an Azure-based solution, and the cost of FNO first notification is down to few cents. The average time to settlement sees a huge improvement from 30 plus days to less than 5 days, which leads to 200% plus ROI within 1 year, along with other benefits such as STP, enterprise grade rollout, and increased accuracy. Moving ahead, but why us? As you know that there are multiple providers of document processing, but this is not, they are not a one-stop shop solution, which we are. So there is a problem of plenty. Then our solution is cloud native solution, which is very secure in-house data, which Puru will talk about. And it's a logic workflow app-based solution, which is based on low code, no code. We see a huge opportunity in terms of 30% of our intelligent business automation BU revenues can be targeted from this solution. And we already have a pipeline of customers such as UK-based claim processor, tax company, and a large ANZ area bank. So I will hand over the stage to our tech guru, Puru. So Puru.
Hey, Gaurav, thanks for setting the business context. So this is a high-level solution architecture that we are proposing. This is because it is a self-care option. You will see that users are going to interact with our solution using multiple channels. For the today's demo, we are using Power Apps. So we have built the Power Apps to interact with the application. The core of this solution is the machine learning model. So we have the machine learning models to classify the document and also the text extraction. We have a data lake to store the all sort of documents which the users are going to upload. We have a serverless workflow engine that we are using Logic app, and all the curated process data would be stored in a data warehouse which can be pushed to the downstream application for various consumption. So this is a high level view. So without further ado, I just wanted to take you through the demo. So there are two personas that you are going to look at. One is the policyholder Jim Smith, who has met with an accident, and how he's going to interact, and then the claim agent, how he is going to settle. So let me switch over to the demo. So this is a quick demo of IntelliClaim document ingestion solution. So this is custom vision, which is a part of Azure Cognitive Service, which is a state-of-the-art computer vision image analysis that can be tailored to your specific needs. So here we have used this service to classify different types of documents. So as you can see here, we have driving license, invoices, insurance IDs. We have 1099 forms, W2 forms, and even some of the car damage images. With this, we will be able to classify the document. The other key Azure cognitive service that we are leveraging is Form Recognizer. The pre-built models also gives us a quick jump start. You can see here we have pre-built model for invoices. We have driving licenses or various types of identity documents, W2 forms. We have also used the custom model to extract the text from 1099 document. So here you can see we have marked different regions, and within this region we have extracted different fields. So we have labeled those particular documents, and we are able to extract various entities in a key value pair. The architecture proposed for IntelliClaim solution is low code, no code, cloud native PaaS, platform as a service architecture, which fulfills all the enterprise deployment requirements. The components include Gen2 storage, which is data lake to handle all types of document. We have serverless workflow engine Logic app. We have two cognitive services that I talked about, Form Recognizer and Custom Vision. We have fully managed NoSQL DB, Cosmos DB, and we have range of APIs. Those have been exposed. Now you can see here, this is the kind of data lake that we have created with different types of container. So the document moves from one zone to another zone, incoming docs, then it will move to processing, and based on the result, it will be either push to succeeded or failure. So this is a high level view of the workflow that we have created using Workflow Engine Logic app. With that, let's see how two personas are going to interact with IntelliClaim document ingestion solution. This is Power Apps based front end that we have developed, which is currently built for tablet, but can be repurposed for smartphone form factor as well as web. Jim Smith is a policyholder of Drip Insurance Company. Unfortunately, he has met with an accident, and let's see how he registers a new claim. So he logs in into the system and he lands onto a main menu screen. Since he has to report a new claim, he goes ahead, he looks at all the documents those needs to be uploaded, and he clicks on upload document. Now for better illustration purpose, we have given a complete view of how the storage account that looks in a data lake. So he's going to upload the documents in incoming docs. So he goes ahead. So these are the list of documents that we have already shortlisted. So he uploads form 1099, car damage, driving license, insurance ID, service invoice. You can see all of these documents have been uploaded to incoming docs folder. And now it's time to submit the form. You can see all of these documents have arrived in an incoming store. And this is where the workflow engine is going to get triggered. So let me click and run this manually. So as you can see here, once I trigger this, you will see different workflows have triggered. And all of this workflow engines have successfully triggered as the documents have been processed. Jim also receives the email. You can see the mail that has been received. You can also see all the relevant information extracted by form recognizers have been uploaded to Cosmos DB. You can see different entities extracted over here. It is time for Steve Morris to look into the claim details. So Stu logs in into the system. So as you can see here, there is one claim pending for his attention. So he clicks on that. He gets to see his earlier claims, and he also sees that there is a new document that has been submitted by Jim Smith. So he clicks on the details of Jim Smith. So this is all the information about the claim that has been submitted by Jim Smith. So you can get to see various documents. Those have been uploaded by Jim Smith. Driving license. This is the text extraction done by the machine learning algorithm with a confidence score. Everything looks okay. The document was also classified with 94%. This is the insurance ID issued by Dream Insurance Company. This is a form 1099. Service invoice. It extracts all the details of the service invoice, including the amount and also the car damage. So everything looks fine. So I think he can approve this. And as you can see, the claim has been approved. So this is the quick demo of IntelliClaim solution. Thank you. Yeah, so this is the team that delivered this solution, and these are some of the future enhancements that we are proposing. And again, this being a cloud native solution, this mainly meets most of the enterprise deployment requirements, as I just mentioned. So happy to take the questions.